If you are driving on an empty highway late at night, never look into your rearview mirror if a sudden cold wind enters your car. Because sometimes, hitchhikers don't wait for you to stop the car, they just climb inside. A college student named Rahul was driving back to his hometown after college exams. It was nearly 3 a.m. The highway was completely empty, surrounded by dark trees and empty fields. To stay awake, Rahul turned up the music and kept his windows slightly open to let the cool night air in. Suddenly, the temperature inside the car dropped instantly. It became so cold that Rahul could see his own breath in the air. At the exact same moment, the car radio started buzzing with heavy static, cutting off the music. Rahul felt a strange shiver down his spine. He adjusted his rearview mirror to look at the back seat. The back seat was empty. He laughed nervously, thinking he was just tired, but then, as he kept driving, he noticed something weird in his side mirrors. The yellow streetlights along the highway were passing by one. Every time a streetlight illuminated the inside of his car, a tall, dark shadow appeared in the back seat. But when the car entered the dark space between the lights, the shadow vanished. Rahul's heart started beating fast. He kept his eyes locked on the road ahead, too terrified to look behind. He pressed his foot down on the accelerator, trying to drive faster. Then, his phone, which was mounted on the dashboard for maps, lit up. A voice notification from his navigation app said, "In 500 meters, pull over. Your passenger wants to get out." Rahul knew he was traveling alone. He had not set any destination on the app. With shaking hands, he slowly tilted the rearview mirror down just an inch to look at the floor of the back seat. There, sitting right under the seat, was a pair of old, muddy slippers. And standing right over them were two pale, upside-down feet hanging from the ceiling of the car. A wet, freezing whisper came right next to his ear from the empty passenger seat. "Why are you driving so fast, Rahul? We are already here." If you are driving alone tonight, keep your doors locked and windows rolled up. Because some passengers don't need a lift, they just want your seat